How's it going today? Jeff here with WB Tool News, and today I got something special for you. We're gonna take a first look at two brand new chalk boxes from Tajima, the Chalk-Rite Compact and the Chalk-Rite Mini. Now I know what you're thinking, how many more chalk boxes do we need from Tajima? But let me tell you, I might go as far as saying this is like a best of chalk box. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, first thing to note is both of these chalk boxes are pretty similar, with the standard variation being the line thickness. So the red box has your 1mm line, while your blue box has the 0.5mm line. And if you've watched enough of these WB Tool News videos, you'll know that narrower or thinner line is gonna be ideal for interior finish work, where the 1mm bold line is gonna be great for your standard application exterior layout work. Now let's get into some of those cool best of features, starting with the handle. So you'll notice here we have a metal handle, which is an upgrade that was first introduced on the Chalk-Rite Dura series. The Chalk-Rite 2, plastic handle. This guy, metal handle. A little bit more durability right there. And if you've used the Chalk-Rite Dura series, you know that it also has another little hidden feature, which is a push button, which allows the line to free spool out versus having that handle crank around. Now, this box right here features a die-cast aluminum body, which is standard on the Chalk-Rite 2 and a few of the other variations they have, but gonna be an upgrade from the ABS plastic body of the Chalk-Rite Jam-Free. You have the beautiful red metallic paint job, which is standard on many of the Tajima products in the lineup, as well as a nice rubber bumper running around the perimeter of the box to protect against those bumps and drops and things of that nature. And of course, that end hook stores conveniently right on the front of the tool. It also has that 5-to-1 geared retrieval system, so you can crank this thing right back up nice and quick. The next best of feature is found right here, a metal tip to add additional durability. This feature was first launched on the Chalk-Rite Sturdy series. It's been great because it adds additional durability against drops. If you drop that on a plastic tip, a lot of times you would get a break. This guy, not gonna have that issue. This little hex gun here was also introduced with the Chalk-Rite Sturdy and allows you to connect the box right to the clip and hold system. This is an awesome little addition to these boxes. Allows you to easily store this thing on your belt clip, holding it securely in place and always right at hand. All right, I know y'all been waiting for it. The last thing I'm gonna talk about with these chalk boxes today is the size. And in this case, you know what? Size does matter. These things are tiny. They take up way less space than your traditional chalk boxes. The compact, the mini, they are both much, much smaller. In fact, I'm gonna give you a comparison here. The Chalk-Rite Dura next to the mini, I mean, a good 2.5 times smaller. So anybody who is very conscious of the space in their tool belt, the size, the weight, it all adds up. These are gonna be fantastic. So we are going to do a full review of both of these new tools from Tajima here in the coming weeks. This is just a teaser. So keep your eye open for those next videos. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Until next time, keep working, and we'll catch you on the next video.